What is that noise? Well, this is a first. Holy fuck. This is sketchy as fuck. My dad's towing me because I have a blown motor apparently. Awesome. Yeah, so what's the date here? It's August 7th, so August 5th, 2 days ago. The engine blew up. A rod has gone in this thing. I don't know if it'll pick it up. There's some nice shavings. It's not picking it up right now, but yeah, rod blew up, and I'm surprised that there's even oil in the car right now, because it's been leaking. Yeah, so gonna have to get a new engine, and obviously the labor to put it in, that's gonna be a pretty penny. And now I'm out of a vehicle, so yeah, so much for the engine being pristine because it was rebuilt. Clearly that doesn't matter if it's rebuilt or not. It's still gonna go whenever it wants, and I have not done anything to jeopardize the engine at all, and I've only had the car for 3,000 miles anyways. Literally, I didn't, not even 3,000 miles. I had it for 23, and I did an oil change because I was like, you know what, whatever. And yeah, so much for a mint reliable Subaru. First impressions on a Subaru, they're fun.